Thank you for buying this 101176 wood bakery rack with metal frame from Fixture Displays. These are all the components. In this short video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions. This is the base with wood covering. It also has a metal structure underneath. And this is the back metal frame, back stoppers, front stoppers that are clear acrylic, two large shelves and two small shelves. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. To begin, we want to assemble the metal frame, the back frame, onto the base through 3 tubes that are inserted into the metal frame. Once inserted, we're going to fasten screws front and back. Use the provided Allen wrench. Make sure you fasten all positions. Now we're ready to install the slats in the back to act as a stopper so that your bakery goods don't get pushed back easily. There are 3 groups of double holes here. By design, we want to put this on the upper end of the 3 groups. For you on fixturedisplays.com, I encourage you to browse our site for many other exciting products and services we offer. If you have a custom project, we'd love to code it for you. Now we're going to install the stopper. We're going to do that in reverse. Install that to the underside of the shelf. There are 4 screws to fasten. When fastening acrylic to wood, make sure you don't over tighten because it is plastic. It will crack if you use a lot of force. Optionally, if you have rubber washers, you're welcome to use those. We're going to repeat the same for the 2 small shelves and get them ready. Fixture Display design and manufacture many products and services for households as well as businesses, churches, and schools. We fabricate wood, metal, and acrylic in our own wholly owned shop, and we warehouse them in our centrally located warehouse in Chicago. Now we're ready to fasten the lower shelf, which is the larger shelf, to the back panel. Make sure you have help holding both sides and then fasten. If you like this video, please consider subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please leave a good review for our product and services, and along with good seller feedback. If you encounter any issues, feel free to text us on this number, 630-296-4190. We will resolve it for you. Dimensions is 48 inches wide, 30.5 inches deep, and 68 inches tall. This rack is designed for bakery goods. If you have heavy articles, make sure you put that on the bottom shelf only. The shelves are all angled like that for ease of shopping, whereas the upper shelves should be reserved for lightweight baked goods. It's on casters, so you can roll that around in your shop very easily. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.